Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I wanted to give you a little bit of an idea of how to use Padlet because you're going to notice that if you go down, it's in next week right now, but later it'll be up in this week. But you'll notice it says Padlet to show what book you're currently reading. So I'm going to click on Padlet and it's going to take me to this website. Now, you probably will need to start an account, but it should take you to my thing here, and it will probably ask you to log on with your Google credentials. So that's pretty easy. You can just click on your name for Google. And whatever genre of book you're reading is where you're going to add your cover. So either I posted realistic fiction, fantasy, nonfiction, science fiction, and other. So I couldn't put every genre there because you would have had to scroll over too far and it wouldn't have shown. So I'm just going to click here on fantasy. And for me to take my picture, I'm going to put my title in first. And your name, of course, will show up here. And you can either upload a picture maybe that you've taken on your phone. Please don't include a link because then we have to click on every link. I would take a snap right here. So your photo booth will come open, your camera will start. It took me a little while last time for my camera to get started. I had to restart my computer. So hopefully it will start. Maybe it won't let me use my camera while I'm recording a screencast and doing this. Okay, so anyway, you're going to snap it here, okay? And then it will come up right there. You can delete it if you don't like it, or if you're in the wrong genre. And I think you can actually move it to another genre if you would like. Maybe it doesn't let you do that. Post actions. You can click here and you can transfer the post. You can set it as your cover. You can copy it. You can change color. Whatever it is you'd like to do, you can do there. This is like a bulletin board. So everybody will post their pictures here and you can see everyone's cover of what they're reading. This is just the beginning of what we're doing. I'm going to have you do maybe some drawings and post them based on your book, some book trailers, some things like that, because you can put several things in here. This is something where when you submit it, everybody can see it. Okay, so you can share with your classmates. It's almost like a gallery walk without actually having to be there. So this isn't really very difficult. Like I said, I think it wouldn't take a picture because my camera is already engaged in this screencast. You can always give me an email if you're having a question and I can walk you through it. Thanks. Have a good day.